Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop the canvas size or the size of your videos on the Filmora application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my video, and if you want to set the size of your videos, click to the video line and you go to the lower bar and click to the third icon, the crop, and here you can crop your videos size, the size of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.